Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, collectives. Okay, so collective love reading. Wala mo ng zodiac sign. So ito ang kailangan mong malaman pagdating sa person mo. Okay, so again, bago tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And kung may tanong rin pagdating sa ating mga item, like dun sa ating sa ating protection from evil eye, dun sa ating love bracelet. So ito si love bracelet, okay? So yan siya. So si granter, ito naman si granter. Okay, so papasilip ko lang sa inyo. Yan si granter. And ito yung bago nating item for cord cutting. Okay, so ito yun. Okay, so yeah, medyo bulky siya, malaki. Okay, so kung may mga tanong, message me. Okay lang, okay po. So yeah, collectives, yan, collective love reading. So tingnan natin sino ba tong person mo. Tingnan natin kunin natin yung energy pagdating sa physical looks. Okay, ano bang meron sa taong yan para malaman mo na siya yan. Okay, so pwede namang hindi ka makaresonate dito. Okay, kasi ang dami collectives to. Okay, all signs, diba? So, let's see. Anong meron? Pasensya na po sa ingay kung inyong naririnig. Okay. Okay, black or African American. Okay, some of them pwedeng ganyan yung person mo. Okay, hindi yan para sa lahat. Okay, just get lang. Just get. Oo. Kung ano lang yung sa tingin ninyo na doon kayo makaka-resonate. Okay? So, what else? Ibang race, no? So, green eyes ba? Parang mostly foreigner yung mga connect nyo, no? Collectives. Foreigner. What else? See? White American naman. Oo. Okay. So, mostly, some of you, maybe, ang makakonect talaga is ibang lahi. Oo. Okay. Wala namang problem dyan. Oo. Uso yan ngayon. O, diba? Let's see. So, American. So, what else? Ano pang meron sa person? Elderly. So, maybe some of them mas matanda sa'yo. Okay? What else? Kuha lang tayo ng physical looks na meron itong taong to. So, hindi lahat po talaga makaka-resonate, no? Okay. So, Australian. Oh. Okay. Mga collectives, yung mga nanonood ngayon, talagang nasa ibang lugar itong person mo, no? Or maybe you're living somewhere out there, diba? Sa ibang country. Okay, some of you maybe yung person mo is talagang sabihin kong hindi Asian, some of them. Okay. What else? Braids. Okay. So, yeah. Red hair. Maybe. Some of them, if babae ito, gusto nila na, parang laging maayos. Okay. What else? Last two. Okay. Kuha pa tayo ng energy ng person. Ano bang meron sa looks nitong taong tong iniisip mo, collectives? Curly hair. So, may pagkakulot. Okay. What else? Last energy pagdating sa looks. Okay. So, ito I'm getting a channeled message here. Some of you, ikaw itong ganito. Okay, ikaw itong may ganitong mga traits. Ikaw itong may ganitong mga looks. Okay? So, kapag ganyan, yeah, so, pwede. For you itong reading, okay? So, pregnant. Some of you, may anak kayo nitong taong to, or pwedeng ikaw itong gusto mong magkaanak sa kanya, or gusto nyong magkaanak kayo nitong taong to. Some of you, you're pregnant, no, right now. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. So, humabol, scar. So, there's something like significant pagdating sa scar. Okay? So, ito ang aking nakikita pagdating sa person mo. Ito is ano lang naman, physical. Sa physical. Okay? Sa looks niya. So, may chance, kung hindi man siya ganito, tingnan natin dito sa tarot. Okay? So, plus na lang to. Okay. So, let's see. Ano bang meron? Anong energy ng person mo? Okay, collectives. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Collectives, anong energy ni person mo ngayon? Anong energy niya? I mean, para malaman mong siya to. Okay? Sa mga hindi naka-resonate doon. Okay, the Nine of Swords universe, pwedeng air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's with that Nine of Swords? Some of you, ikaw itong parang hindi mo na masyadong pinag-iisip tong taong to lately. Okay? Nakakatulog-tulog ka na sa gabi, actually. Strength, yeah, strength in reverse. Okay? May chance na wala ka na masyadong pakialam sa kanya. Okay? So, pwedeng Leo. Some of them, pwedeng baliktad. Sila naman yung ganun pagdating sa'yo. Okay, wala nang focus, walang action coming from them. It's like silence. Okay? Yeah. This person doesn't want to argue. Ayaw nila ng away na lang. Parang ganun. Or maybe ikaw. Okay? Ayaw na lang nito ng stress. Ayaw lang nito ng isipin or what. Usapin. Mga ganyan. Some of them, they're trying to avoid an argument nga. Or trying to avoid communication with you maybe. Okay? They just want peace of mind over this or what. Pwedeng ikaw ito na nakakaranas ng ganyan pagdating sa kanya. Ayaw mo na itong isipin, ayaw ko na lang ganito, ganyan, para na lang sa akin, para magka peace of mind ako or what, parang ganyan. Gusto ko lang ma-release yung stress or maalis yung stress or maybe ma-lessen kahit papano. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Chalices. Some of you, you're dumaan ka, no, sa confusion, like that. Okay? Some of them, this person is open pagdating sa option nila. Okay? So, ano bang meron sa inyo sa situation? Okay, the Emperor. Tumatalon yung barahan nyo. Some of you. Okay, pwedeng Aries tong person mo. What's with the Emperor? Judgment. Oh, in reverse. Okay, there is this ego and pride ang parang humaharang na lang. Okay, nagiging harang pagdating sa mga dapat ayusin dito. I-fix. Some of them, nandun yung parang may nagmamatigas para hindi magkaroon ng pagbabalikan or what. May nagmamatigas dito. Parang nagpapahabol tong taong to, collectives. Yeah, the Queen of Chalices. May nagpapahabol. Yeah, the Page of Chalices. Okay? So, maybe, alam nitong taong to, no? Sa situation, I think. Sabihin natin, okay, kailangan na lang itong tapusin or kailangan na lang din itong alisan, itigil, para na lang din sa ikagaganda at ikakaayos. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, let's see. Ano bang emosyon niya for you right now, collectives? We have here Aries and Scorpio. So, ano bang emotion niya for you right now? Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Okay, they're not ready to settle down. Okay, some of them, they're non-committal actually. Okay, Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Iba sa kanila, parang may issue pagdating sa finances. Okay, what's with this Ten of Pentacles? Or yeah, issue pagdating sa pag-commit. The Star in reverse. They're feeling hopeless. Okay, feeling hopeless pagdating sa situation. Okay? Some of you, itong taong to, if you are waiting for them na ilaban ka or what, wala akong nakikita rito. Okay? Some of them talagang umaayaw na tong tao. Opo, umaayaw na lang. Kung ikaw, collectives, ang nakikita niya sa'yo at nararamdaman niya sa'yo is parang wala ka ng pakialam talaga sa kanya, now, feeling niya, wala na tong pag-asa. Wala na akong makita, wala na akong maramdaman kay collectives, like that. Okay, some of them, kung ganun nga ang nakikita nila sa inyo, pride at ego na lang ang nagiging sabihin nating dinadahilan ng taong to para hindi siya bumalik or makipagbalikan or makipag-ayos sa'yo. Okay, hindi na hayaan magmukhang weak sa situation, I think. Yeah. What is their energy right now? Okay, anong energy ng taong to ngayon? Let's see. Yeah, ma-pride to, ma-ego. Okay, may nag-flip. Parang, okay, wala. So, anong meron pagdating sa energy na tong person mo, collectives? Okay. The 8 of Pentacles in reverse. So, talagang pinapakita at pinaparamdam ng taong to na wala ng focus. Okay, wala na siyang focus, hindi na siya masyadong into this, parang ganyan. Yeah, the world in reverse. The Magician. They are manipulating talaga the energy or the situation. Okay? So, trying to look strong, but deep down, they're weak. Yes. Energy. The 8 of Pentacles in reverse and the world in reverse. They're weak. They are weak. Mga pababae, mga palaki, kung ano man ang gender niya. Feeling the unfinished business. They're hopeless. I think this person loves you pa rin. Pero mas inuuna nyo yung pride at ego. Mahal ka pa rin ito, I think. Hindi naman ito makakaramdam ng ganito kung wala eh. Pinapakita lang niya talaga na, oh, strong ako. Hindi kita kailangan, collectives. Like that. Okay? Pero pag mag-isa na yan, or sabihin natin siya lang talaga, wala. Parang feeling niya, kawawa siya, kailangan ka niya, like that. Yeah. Hinahayaan lang din talaga eh. So, yun nga, pride at ego. What's their next action towards you? Okay, collectives. Collectives, ano ang next action niya towards you? The King of Chalice, I don't know. The Knight of Chalices in reverse. That's being hot and cold. What's with that? Knight of Chalices in reverse. The Devil. The Nine of Chalices. So, may chance na may papakita itong something like hints, signs. Okay, na they're not over you. So, magbababa ng kauntian, ng kalahati, ng pride at ego itong taong to. Hindi niya hahayaan na totally kitang-kita siya. Okay? I don't know why. I don't know. Some of them, para lang sabihin nating ma-uplift siya. Okay? Meron tong gustong makita from you. Yeah, the Nine of Wands. See? Magbababa ng guard to. Pero hindi lahat. Kauntian lang. Okay? Kasi nga, yeah. Nandun pa yung love, nandun pa yung kailangan kanya. Something like that. Like pangungulila. Ganun. Okay? See, Knight of Swords. The Four of Chalices. The Ten of Chalices. They miss you. Kung hindi man makuha nito yung gusto niya, kapag ginawa na niya tong action na to, pag hindi niya nakuha, andun na yung sabing ma-upset to, malulungkot nga. Okay? The Ace of Wands. They want you still. They want a new beginning with you. Pero mahirap to. Oo, kung uunahin niya yung pride at ego. Okay? So, gusto nitong makipagayos actually. The devil in reverse. Some of them, they just want sex. Pag nag-connect muli kayo, nag-reconnect kayo, they want sex. Kapag hindi mo pinagbigyan to, magmumukmuk to. I don't advise na ibigay mo. Okay? So, okay. Ano advice for you collectives? What's the advice for the collectives? Temperance in reversed. Avoid na gumawa ng decision ng sobrang mabilis. Okay? I-avoid mo yung parang magmamadali ka kung ano man. Okay? Temperance in reversed. That's being impatient kasi. Okay? Alisin mo yung pagiging impatient mo, if ever. The Two of Pentacles. Because you're not sure Okay? You're not sure. Kung hindi mo sure ang intention at gusto ng taong to sa gagawin niya pagdating sa'yo, or may pinakita na tong something, hints or signs, and hindi mo naman alam kung anong gusto niyang mangyari, kung hindi siya clear, then hindi mo kailangang ikaw ang gumawa ng solusyon para magkaroon ng clarity. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Wands in reversed. Okay, so this is talking about instability, like unstable. Okay, hindi pa ganoon ka solid ang intention ng taong to kung siya ay manunumbalik sa'yo. So, bakit ka magmamadali? Okay? Huy, anong dahilan mo? Bakit ka bumabalik? Uy, nandiyan ka na naman. Oo. Siguro love mo pa rin ako, no? Don't do that, please. Don't. Okay? Be patient. Huwag mo hayaan na parang matitrigger ka ng small hints ng mga taong to. Okay? Binatuhan ka lang ng kauntian, mugmug. Kakagat ka na. Wala ka pang ngunguyain doon, okay? Wala pa. Ha? Don't settle sa mugmog. Okay? Nakita mo lang, nag-miss call lang, or nag-chat, or nag-text ng hi. 'Di ba? 2 letra lang 'yun, pero ang re-reply mo, Diyos ko po. Enough, wag mong gagawin yun. Okay? Magiging open ka na agad, something like that. No. We don't do that. Okay? Don't. Wag kayo magiging transparent, please. Hayaan mo silang ma-confuse rin, if ever. Kung kaya nyo, manipulahin rin. Okay? Hindi mo naman alam kung bakit siya nandyan. Hindi mo naman alam kung anong dahilan, bakit siya bumabalik, bakit siya nagpaparamdam, diba? So, bakit mo hahayaan yung sarili mong open? Napakabait mo naman. Ha? Okay? Yeah. Alam mo, sa pagiging hindi mo clear, mag-i-invest sa'yo yung tao. Hayaan mo sila yung mag-invest. Hayaan mo sila yung mag-pursue. Okay? I don't care kung sino man to. Okay? So, mas maganda nga na ikaw, kung nakikita ng taong to na wala ka nang pakialam sa kanila, then panintigan mo muna yon. Opo, ha? Panindigan mo muna yung mga ginagawa mo sa ngayon. Wag mo hayaang masira ng taong to yung tingin niya. Okay? Kasi hindi rin naman niya kaya eh. No? Hindi niya kaya yung ginagawa mo. If you're too silent, hindi nila kaya yun. Masyado silang nabibingi. Okay? Nabibingi ito sa sobrang katahimikan. Hindi kanya nakikita or what. Something like that. Yung pride at ego, mantakin mo. Ibababa niya ng kalahati para sa'yo. So, meaning, hindi naman siya totally in na in at out na out pagdating sa'yo. Okay? They're ready. If you're not ready, okay lang. It's like, okay, hindi ka ready. So, tataas ko na ulit. Like that. Okay? So, ikaw ang kailangan makakita ng intention ng taong to. Okay? Siyang may kailangan, siya dapat ang magsabi. Not you. Okay? So, wala ka na masyadong ini-stress dito eh. Nakikita ko naman dito sa unang card. Okay? So, again, kung sino may kailangan, siya ang lumapit, siya ang maging open. Okay? Yeah. Okay? So, all signs are true, Pisces. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Collectives. Okay, artists. Oh, they're being artists. They're being sabihin natin parang nagpapakaano siya, no? Kung anong ugali niya, yun pa rin siya. Okay, ego, pride. Yes. They're not not ready to take action. They're just sitting, waiting for you. Okay, Taurus, they're manifesting you. They want a communication with you. Some of them, they want control over you. Gemini, okay, they're ready. Kung ano man ang kailangan gawin, they're ready. Cancer, they're regretting. They're upset. Some of them, they're lonely. Okay, trying to save something. Itong si Cancer. Leo, okay, their back is turned. Some of them, they're feeling hopeless. Okay, Virgo, they want a new beginning with you. They want another chance. Libra, there's this drama. Okay. Scorpio, feeling nila you're the one that got away. You're the one that got away. Parang ganyan. Andun yung panghihinayang niya. Okay. Sagittarius, feeling niya binabackstab mo siya, collectives. Okay, or maybe this Sagittarius backstabbing you. Pasensya na po ha sa ingay. Capricorn, they're not ready to settle down. They're non-committal, some of them. Some of them may money issue. Okay? Aquarius. So, parang meron, I think some of them is angry, mad, like that. Okay? Asahan mo, there's these arguments, okay, na pwedeng mangyari with this Aqua and between the two of you. Okay? Pisces, they're stuck, thinking of you day and night. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, collectives. Again, please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you, thank you. Bye.